If you are a girly that snores, or you're trying to get rid of your so-called double chin, or you're just trying to get a better night's sleep, stop scrolling, because this is for you, okay? These are Divine strips. Now, I've been mouth taping for almost a year now, and that man has not complained since. Okay, baby? Difference with this and my last one is that these actually come with nasal strips. Now, for me, y'all, my allergies are horrible. I take 2 medications a day just to keep my allergies away, okay? This comes with the mouth tape, and it comes with nasal strips. Y'all, I am too hype and too excited to try both of these together. Baby, I will be reporting back. If you're interested in these, go ahead and click on the orange shopping cart below.